applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of language. Now, verbal irony and verbal sarcasm are not the same. The verbal irony is when there's a literal statement with a contrasted interpretation derived from tone. Sarcasm is also a literal statement, but a contrasted interpretation derived from tone. So clearly, irony, verbal irony, and verbal sarcasm have the same definition. But where the polarity derived in verbal irony and verbal sarcasm is, they both interpretation derived from contrasting or polarized interpretation. But with verbal irony, the polarity or the contrasted interpretation is innocuous. It's benevolent. It's friendly. The contrasted interpretation of sarcasm is malevolent. It's sinister. It's evil. And this is where irony, verbal irony,